We have our luggage. We're about to check out and we're done. We're done being here. Then we'll be heading to seongnam-si for orientation from August 21st to 26th. Guys, I'm using my purchase. Feels so nice.
Are you using me?
Yeah, you. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's a commercial. Infomercial in Korea. I'm letting Slimmy Kai use my fan. What is your rating? 1 to 10?
10 out of 10. Very good.
We made it.
We are going to a hotel for orientation. It's called Hotel Premier. It's in Hwaseong City. So you'll get registered, you'll grab your room key, and then you're going straight to your room. We're the same amount of rooms apart again.
Oh, really? 감사합니다. What? Oh,
I forgot to bring one.
head it up. Jessica, how are we together again?
I know.
In the transition stage. Okay, let's do this. Really? 진짜? Uh-huh. Okay, well, we gotta get this stuff in. We're here. Okay. We're one more step closer to actually being where I'm gonna be placed. I'll give you all a tour. So if you come over here, look at that. We got a sink, a low sink. There we are. Look at the light. A lounge-ish couch thing. 2 beds, and it'll be just me again. A fridge. Well, I don't need to open it. You understand what a fridge is. And this opens and closes like a door. I guess we should check out the view, shan't we? I think it's just the beautiful, luxurious views. 지금 몇 시예요? 모르겠어요. We have lunch if you didn't hear at 1 p.m. So I have all this time to chill, and I'll see you. When I edit, I'll be glad I went slowly. It's a Taylor. Where are we headed, Taylor? Something more than quarantine food? This is our life now.
Make my way downtown.
What do we have? Why am I filming myself? Also, you can see Jeremy right there. You can wave. Yeah, you're now in the video. So I'm gonna try this food. No must stop. This is so much better than quarantine food. Some radish. What's your favorite thing on the plate?
The fact that there's broccoli, like veggies.
Wow, such an adult.
You've been deprived for 2
I mean,
weeks.
that's true. The noodle tastes like a noodle. Y'all don't have to watch me eat anymore. 끝났어요.